Dear future students, my name is Tatiana Savitskaya and I am a professor at the Physical Chemistry Department. I am a supervisor of the module Chemistry for Drug Substances. Our module is an elective course intended for students who are going to work in pharmaceutical industry management. This module gives the fundamentals of drugs, chemistry, technology, cleaner production strategy, megatrends in pharmaceutical industry of today. We'll cover the key aspects of the state-of-art development for new drugs generation. After finishing this module, even those of you who will not familiar with pharmaceutical aspects will be able to understand, evaluate and develop strategy and tactics for industrial companies on the professional level. Timing is perfect. The information technology is booming. Discovery of genome, proteome is creating a useful dimension to drug production. And now it's your turn to create a new page in medicinal history. For you to be on top, you have to stay ahead of competition, and our module is just the thing you need to be effective in this business. Our team of professionals is here to help you. We'll be glad to welcome you on board. Select our module, Chemistry for Drug Substances. We are waiting for you.